Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Roblox account and confirming the email on file so you can receive purchases. Next, locate the gift card PIN and carefully scratch off the coding. Once visible, keep the numbers handy. Open a browser and go to the redeem page on Roblox. Make sure you're using the main website rather than third-party apps, because this ensures the code validates correctly and prevents accidental App Store charges. You now type the PIN into the redeem field. Be precise and don't add extra spaces unless the card shows them. Once entered, click Redeem and watch for the success message. This tells you the card applied to your account. If successful, make sure to check your balance or Robux purchase screen. If you plan to buy a membership or Robux, use the balance option at checkout so funds are deducted from your redeemed gift card rather than a linked payment method. Finish by choosing Robux, items, or a premium membership and select your Roblox balance at checkout so the redeemed funds are used. If the code doesn't work, double-check the PIN accuracy, ensure the card hasn't expired, and confirm it's valid in your country. Region mismatches commonly block redemption. If problems persist, take a clear screenshot of the card and error. Then contact Roblox support with that information. They can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.